guys, there's a game here, and I'm gonna tell you how to get a diamond play button. So what you gotta do, you gonna get some like foam, and cut it out as a diamond play button, look, and then you get your best glass. You get like a little like talc maybe. Get talc and you put it all over it or something, and then you just like stick it all onto the play on, and then you like get your best glass shot, and you know they like shine like this. Like that, right there. You know they like shine like that. Yeah? Well, you have to, what you're going to do, you're going to get out your best glass jar and hit it with a hammer. You got to hit it with a hammer. You're going to smash you. I'm just kidding. But, yeah, that's how you make yourself a play button. I'm telling you this so you can act like you're really cool. They got so many subscribers.